Sora 2 has so many useful and interesting capabilities that people are just not taking advantage of, and you're not going to see these features if you simply scroll through your Explore page on the app, so I want to show you some of them in this video. The first capability takes advantage of how accurate Sora is at displaying text with no typos, spelling errors, and weird spacing, which other AI video models really struggle with. So you can tell Sora to create motion graphics, text animations, captions, and typography. This is the type of stuff you would need software like After Effects to be able to do well. Here's an example of the caption I gave Sora to create motion graphics for me, and here's what it generated.
Electricity, powering homes and businesses with clean, renewable energy. Systems can grow with your needs, and savings start from day one. Invest in the future. Switch.
Another capability Sora has is the ability to create green screen clips, which allow you to key out the green and drop that subject into your own video. Before, you would need to go to these sort of YouTube channels and search to see if they even have the thing you want in front of a green screen to get these sort of videos. But with Sora, you have full control to create exactly the subject you want and put it in front of the screen, and then bring it into your own video. And the last one is a capability that people are not using to its full potential, and that's the ability for Sora to generate songs and music. Instead of having Sora unprompted create background music from the overall context, or telling Sora in the prompt the type of background music you want for a scene, you can instead tell Sora to basically ignore the visual element of the video and just give it a detailed prompt for the music. This means you can tell it the genre of music, the tempo, the key, the instruments and sound design, and of course the vocal elements, including the lyrics. Here's an example of a prompt I gave Sora for a song, and here's what it created for me.
Yo, world heating up, ice dripping off the cap, yeah. Facts in the data, but they still wanna cap, yeah. Carbon in the sky, that's a noose round the map, yeah. Gotta change gears, can't stall or we crash, yeah. Streets still cold, but the winters ain't the same, bruv. Summer's
If you need help with the technical terms and descriptions of music, or just some inspiration for the prompt for your song, I'd recommend going to ChatGPT or your AI of choice and asking it to give you a detailed prompt based on the general sound you're trying to achieve.